Does Ally Bank have a chat? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if Ally Bank has a chat feature? I mean, in this day and age, it seems like everyone has a chat. But Ally Bank? Is it keeping up with the times? Let's find out. Building context. Personal anecdote. Remember when I first opened my Ally Bank account? I was so excited about the high interest rates. But then I realized I had a question. A simple one, really. I just wanted to know if I could transfer money from my checking account to my savings account. Frustration. I tried calling their customer service, but the wait times were insane. I mean, who has time for that? So, I thought, maybe they have a chat feature. The search begins. Ally Bank website. First, I checked the Ally Bank website. I scoured every page, looking for a chat icon or a link to a chat service. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. Google search. Next, I turned to the almighty Google. I searched for Ally Bank chat and got a bunch of results. Some people said they found a chat option, while others said it was nowhere to be found. Conflicting information. I was starting to get frustrated. Was there really no way to chat with an Ally Bank representative without waiting on hold for hours? The answer. No chat feature. After hours of searching and trying different methods, I finally came to the conclusion, Ally Bank does not have a chat feature. Why no chat? This was a bit disappointing. I mean, most banks these days offer chat support as a convenient way for customers to get help. So why didn't Ally Bank? Possible reasons. There could be a few reasons for this. Maybe they're still working on developing a chat feature. Or maybe they've decided to stick with traditional customer service methods. Whatever the reason, it's a bit of a bummer. Alternative contact methods. Phone. If you need to contact Ally Bank, you can always call their customer service number. Be prepared to wait on hold. Mail. You can also send them a letter or email. This is obviously the slowest method, but it might be your only option if you prefer written communication. Conclusion. Summary. So, to answer the question, does Ally Bank have a chat? Unfortunately, no. Disappointment. It's a bit disappointing that Ally Bank hasn't embraced chat support. In today's digital age, it's a convenient and efficient way to get help. Call to action. If you're an Ally Bank customer and you'd like to see them add a chat feature, consider reaching out to their customer service team and letting them know. Ending. Final thoughts. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Ally Bank or any other financial topic, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time.